Well, hello, Robert Heffernan. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our weekend edition. Everybody is working for the weekend. Did I mention with EndoTech? Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. And Blockchain Vitals, I'm a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix when trading cryptos. How I'm in the matrix when I'm trading everything, right? It's a digital world we live in. You got to beam me up in the digital pod into a digital pit, and that's how we do it now. Please follow us on Twitter at EndoTech_IO, at HFR from the floor. If you're watching on Facebook or if you watch on YouTube, please share the wealth, share the knowledge, share this segment because I spent 30 plus years, 25 plus years before I quit Illinois on the floor of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Trading, like Johnny Cash, I was everywhere, man. I traded at a lot of different pits in my career on the floor. And now I'm in the digital space. But one thing I always did was paid attention and investigated and educated myself on the technicals, all right? I had a saying on the floor, and I say it here, forget the whispers, all right? Follow the numbers. I have lost more money in my life trading when I listen to somebody's idea on the whispers or the thing that they know or the inside information or the fundamental outlook that has to be. And follow the numbers, all right? Be a disciplined technician, and you never have to worry about those things. You will never miss big moves either if you're a technician. It's like you can't, unless there's a giant move in one day, multiple percentages, you're not going to miss out. All right, so I won't say never ever, but mostly never. Pay attention to the technicals, all right, and you will be well served with that discipline. Let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, my chance to talk about a headline, something I'm seeing in the space, maybe a tweet, and there is a lot to pick from today as a consensus is going on in New York City. New York City, yeah, consensus, all about Ethereum. But this is here, man. This headline is really what's on the mind of anybody trading cryptos. Massive Bitcoin price rally awaits shorts trigger beyond fresh high of 2019. And then the article goes on to talk in detail about the dominance that Bitcoin has been displaying. And I've been talking about it. The cross charts all in Bitcoin's favor. And possibly a short squeeze, maybe. Anyway, if the shorts are in, let me tell you something. If you're short Bitcoin, you need to understand what the potentials in the market are, right? And so you need to go to the weekly and the monthly to truly understand that. You can look at it at the daily. The only thing that you have going for you if you're short Bitcoin, in my opinion, is that so far in this bull run, we haven't really had a setback. Let's go to the chart and look at that because, hold on. Going to the chart. I had this chart up, I believe it was last weekend, either on the weekend segment or the weekly. And this is the Bitcoin weekly chart. And you can see there on that run up in 2017, I believe the first one was in early July and the next one was in late August into September, two sizable pullbacks. We haven't seen that yet, all right? And so, believe me, I know what it's like to be short something and hoping and praying you get the pullback to get the freak out of the position. So far, not so much of a pullback in Bitcoin to let folks out, as we used to say on the floor. And there's a lot of potential still left in this market. So, you know what? Let's take the vitals and talk about the actual pricing. Taking the vitals, my chance to talk about actionable pricing information. And Bitcoin right now, as we speak, cryptos never sleep. The market never closes. It's Friday. You want to go enjoy a beverage. If you got a position, very difficult in cryptos because it's difficult to leave in stops. For sure, if you're going to use stops, you need to use stop limits. But anyway, trading 64.70 right now at Bitfinex, 64.70. And how about the gap between the pricing on these different exchanges as we've rallied here, and we had this discussion before whether the Bitfinex chart was the chart to look at because the other charts didn't look nearly as explosive on the dailies as Bitfinex did. Well, Bitfinex has won the day, and the risk premium being drastically taken out here now as there's only a less than $100 differential now between the different price discovery points. But anyway, looking strong here, man. If we, how about a strong Saturday? Good morning in Asia, by the way, as it's already Saturday in Asia. A strong Saturday and Sunday would be just what a chart we're going to start developing here. It is already looking parabolic. Not quite parabolic, obviously, on the monthly yet, but on the daily and the weekly for sure. Now, for Saturday's action, which is up here right now, room to 68.45 to that up Mo collar. The Mo collar on the weekly is still, around that $7,100 area, and the momentum level on the monthly, the up momentum level on the monthly, the MUM. Hello, MUM, 71.38 in Bitcoin. So well within reach here. On this move here. So I believe me, if we explode Saturday and Sunday and go to that $7,100 handle, I'll be taking profits for sure. Now, that is, that type of move might be the short squeeze. Everybody was saying, I heard it over and over again, well, look at those lows that we put in at 6,000. The market's going to come off of there. So a bunch of people, I guarantee, piled into shorts here. First time up to 6,000. That's going to get rejected. It's going to be easy. This will be an easy 5, 6, 7% off of that level. Oh, well, now what are you thinking? And you know what parabolic markets do? They go parabolic. Anyway, that's the next level that if I was wanting to short, which I don't want to short these things because I really do think a parabolic move is on the way. But for profit-taking purposes, I love the $7,100 level in BTC. I love selling it there, taking off the longs that I have in Bitcoin, $7,100. And I'm hoping that we get a strong Saturday and Sunday and put just a great green candle in. Then Sunday night, must-see TV. Forget about Game of Thrones. This is a game of trading, man. We're going to be all over it Sunday night, talking about the evolution of the weekly chart, where the potentiality has shifted to, right? And we'll talk that monthly chart also because you need to know above 71.38 where the heck this thing's got potentiality to. All right, listen, you guys have a great weekend, man. You work hard. Please, please, please enjoy your weekends, right? Please enjoy your friends and family. Get out there. Do yourself a favor. Cook somebody a meal. Barbecue season. Ready to roll here. And I'm ready. Anyway, see you later, Facebook. And I'm just spend a little bit of time with EndoTech subscribers on Ether, XRP, and Litecoin. But you need to be an EndoTech subscriber to capture all of the actionable trading information at EndoTech.io. Please get over to EndoTech.io and subscribe and tell them Robert D. Heffernan sent you. All right, thank you so much. See you later, Facebook and YouTube. All right. Ether right now, and the separation just continues here. Ether trading 175.88. Looking healthier here, trying to chase that upmo level at 178.19. But for me, the real story is Litecoin here. Litecoin traded up to I forget what the high they made was. They made a high of 80.32, right? Upmo on the weekly was 80.02. So off of that for now, right? Off of that for now. And above 80.02 for Litecoin on that weekly, up to 108.37 this week to that Upmo collar on the weekly in Litecoin. So, other than Bitcoin, Litecoin showing some strength here, showing some strength. I forget what the word I'm looking for is. It's kind of mirroring Bitcoin on its strength where the rest of the field just isn't. And for me, Litecoin on that monthly chart, very important here now. 93, let's call it $94 is the up momentum in Litecoin. So again, this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, if we get a strong move here in Litecoin, and we still got 2 weeks to go in the month, obviously, but we're going to change what this monthly chart looks like on a strong monthly candle up around that 94. If we can match last month's high and close it though. You got to close it on the high here. Last month's high was right around $100. At Bitfinex, they made a high of 99.43. A close in May for Litecoin in that area is going to change the outlook on the monthly chart. Now, one time frame leads into the other, and obviously on shorter time frames, the evolution of the chart happens faster. All right, so the monthly chart is going to take some time and work to evolve the chart into a strongly bullish or strongly bearish chart. That's what's been going on over the last several weeks. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing. So please mind the Mo, that monthly Mo and Litecoin at $94. Obviously, room on the weekly above there, 108.37, but we got to get above 80.02. That's the weekly up momentum in Litecoin. That's what I'm seeing. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Please share the information, share the segments if you will. And I will see you Sunday night for Blockchain Vitals weekly segment. Thank you so much for watching.